know, all right, new glow plugs, okay? I get it. Today we are, we're just gonna live in the bus for a week. Oh, it's so comfy, dude. Oh. Today we are going to actually peel the Plasti Dip off the Rally Miata. The time of the army green has ended. It's time to go back to black, which is the paint that's underneath the army green. I'm gonna be detailing the Rally Miata this winter, so I wanna, change it up. I wanna make it a little bit nicer. I wanna fix some of the rust. I really just wanna make it so it can survive winter reliably. Right now I'm in the bus because I'm going to go get a new hood for the Rally Miata. Obviously there's a huge hole in it. There's 2 big holes in it. I was going to make a plate that just kind of plopped on top of the hole that covered it up, but I didn't think that would look very good. And I found a hood on Craigslist for 40 bucks. So that's cheaper than metal would be. After we're finished with the all-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive swap this winter or spring, we will repaint it either army green again or maybe some other color like army tan or like an army brown, or I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and get going. I've got about an hour drive in this thing. I'm right here and I have to go right there. I got the hood. It's a pretty beat hood, but I mean, it's 30 bucks, so it's whatever. It's the Rally Miata. It's not, a show car or anything. Now it's time to get home and start painting it, and then Thanks, 21 Pilots. She'll need some work. I actually ended up having to close the door and turn the heat on because it was just too cold out for the bonnet to dry. It's like 50 degrees, so should be about dry now. So all the body work is done. It's definitely not perfect, but I don't really care. It's going on the Rally Miata, which obviously is not a show car. We're just going to throw this hood off, put the new hood on, and then drill the holes for the hood pins. The hood is now primered. I went ahead and sanded it so it's nice and smooth. 400 grit. Ooh, it's nice. So we're gonna go ahead and paint it with a base coat and a clear coat. Sadly, the paint machine at Napa was broken, so we just had to buy a generic gloss black, which probably won't be an exact match, but good enough. And then later today, me and Pasha are making a video about this thing. The video is going to be pretty much explaining what we're going to be doing with this build, the plans for it, and whatnot. And that will be on Pasha's channel, so go check out Pasha's channel. He's going to be making videos on this thing. Hopefully, he will. I will. Good. We're going to go ahead and start getting this ready for, ignore the foam sword. We're gonna get this ready to peel. What we have to do is we have to take off all the accessories, so like the fender flares, the snorkel, the roof rack, and then we can start peeling. plastic dip is definitely not on quite thick enough. It's a pain in the ass to get off, but.
What was that, Cameron?
What?
It's coming off pretty well.
Oh, is it?
Your issues.
Oh, damn! Oh shit! You got the good side. It's the next morning. The Plasti Dip peeling is pretty much done. The Rally Miata is back to being black. It's weird. It's really weird. It's been a while since I've seen this thing black. It's been a while since I've seen this thing shine, because the Plasti Dip was matte, obviously. It's definitely like a 10-foot car, this paint. We Plasti Dipped over it for a reason. Hood's not very good. We had a really hard time peeling a Plasti Dip off the rubber trim. I don't know why I was dumb enough not to tape that off. Plasti Dip peeled up some of the paints with it. Down here, there's like a stripe of green. It actually is like part of the paint now. It's impossible to get off. So that's probably gonna stay there until it's like sanded off. You know, the nice thing is that the green doesn't look bad with the black, so even if we do leave some things Plasti Dipped, then it's all right. It definitely looks weird seeing like the fender flares and the snorkel and the roof rack all kind of blend together. But yeah, that is that. I'm gonna go ahead, bolt in the roof rack, put the spare back on, and then go give her a wash. So yeah guys, that's it. That's the Rally Miata going back to black, going back to normal paint. I will say, even though the paint is pretty crappy, it does still look so cool having paint instead of Plasti Dip. I can't wait until we do the all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive swap and then we get it professionally painted and it'll look really awesome. The Plasti Dip definitely looked cool, but it wasn't glossy, it wasn't shiny, it was textured. It looked cheap. Let me know what you guys think. I know it's definitely sad to see it, you know, no longer gray or green. Wow. I mean, it's kind of grayish, but it's like a grayish green. In the next video, we're gonna be swapping out the seats of the well, actually, yeah, we're gonna be swapping the seats of the RX-7 into the Rally Miata. The Rally Miata is gonna be my winter beater because I bought something really cool and I needed to save some money, so I wanted to turn that into my winter beater instead of buying a new one. And I want a little bit more comfortable seats, so we're gonna be using the RX-7 seats over there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give the video a like. If you didn't enjoy it, please give the video a dislike. It's so freaking cold outside. That's my heater going on. Thank you for sending your pictures in for Subscriber Showcase. As always, I'd love to see them. If you want to be a part of Subscriber Showcase, send an email to gingiumshowcase@gmail.com. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye-bye.